Hello viewers, welcome to my channels Flowers Decor Idea. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. The energy in it takes to take that step is within you. If you are really serious about moving forward, the ability to keep moving forward in spite of differences. Every great journey being with one step, and it begins with moving forward, turning on the engines and shifting into the right gear at the right times. Remember, going through pain is temporary and it will subside, but quitting on the other hand lasts forever. God wants us to be ever moving forward so we can discover the fullness of the life He came to provide, and as people who follow Him, we want to go forward too. We desire all the fullness of life that God offers to us. Don't be discouraged if someone copies you. Copying is a compliment. You are doing it right. It also gives you the opportunity to grow and move behind what is not now being copied. Keep moving forward. Never give up when your heart comes tired. Just walk with your lugs, but move on. The fact of the matter is that sitting on couch, watching TV or drinking or playing a sport just cannot help towards success. It is a matter of being able to take action after action and never be disgusted from moving forward by obstacle. The ability to admit mistake is a quality that is admired. The people admitting mistake but moving forward and not brooding over the mistake. The ability to try others way if one way doesn't work is vital. Are the people around you holding you back or empowering you to move forward? If your life is going nowhere, take a look at a group of people you hang around. I never stop pushing forward. I looking for that light to come close with the hard work and patience I didn't it. I think my excitement. I find that a man is an old at his work. If his work keep him from moving forward, he will look forward with the work. If one believes that here is the enough time to wait to do something, then they also believe that time will always be available to them. We all know this is a fallacy of the truth that cannot be denied. Let's dare to promote ourselves to better us by working hard and moving forward instead of regarding and rewinding the past. Thank you very much, my viewer. Don't miss this video.